There go Carl. You coming to start the Nova? You can start it up.
Start up the Nova?
Yeah, it hadn't been started in a while.
You got a key in it?
Yeah, I got a key. This the Regal right here I was talking about.
Uh-huh.
It's the blue.
Gotcha.
Blue key. You know how to start the Holly, right? You know,
yeah,
well, you just turn it on and then...
Yeah, pump the pedal?
Nah, you ain't got to pump the pedal. Just start, just turn the key.
Okay.
Then when you hear the fuel pump going, after it stops, just then twist it. It hadn't been started in I don't know how long. I said I might as well do a video.
Might as well do a video.
Yeah. Oh boy. You ain't got to get in. Just crank it, because I know it's tight. Yeah, man, I hadn't been out here in a while. I've been working. But
yeah,
I figured I'd let you. It should start. Crank it. Hold it.
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah, that's a cold start right there.
Yep.
Go ahead, keep going.
Yeah, it's cold, that's all.
Let me, it ain't much gas in it, but go ahead and keep holding it. See if it'll fire up. Hit the gas.
Hit the gas?
Yeah. You might have to hit that gas.
Yeah.
It's electronic though. It's all electronic.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it'll. Go ahead, crank it. No, it ain't. You ain't got to.
Okay.
Yeah, crank it, then hit the gas. Now hit the gas. Oh shit! It's electronic.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see if I can hold that camera right there. Like
all right.
Let's see. Oh shit! It ain't gonna crank for me. Ain't no gas in here.
It's just cold, man.
There we go.
Yeah.
Fired up. That's a cold start. Storming out here today, y'all. It ain't been. I think that's that alternator going bad on me. Yeah, pulley.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hear.
You ain't never see the motor, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me open. You can look at that. I had just moved it from my rental property. It just got some things in it. The keys inside it. Let me pop this open. I was thinking about it.
Yep.
Got a 5.3 over there.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that. Let me hold that bucket. Yeah, it's been tuned. Yeah. It was tuned like I think right before I came by your house.
Yeah.
Yep. But I'm gonna shut it off. All right, keys is in it. Go ahead and you could take the keys out or pop the hood.
Yeah. Okay.
Or whatever have it. That's just my shelf. I hadn't set that up yet.
All right.
I had set it in here when I moved it over here. I didn't wanna when I towed it over here, I didn't wanna haul all that stuff in my car.
Yeah.
So I just put it in the Regal.
That hood ain't going to let go. Hold on.
It should. It ain't even really on there, to be honest with you.
Push down on it.
It's not connected, so I think you could just lift it.
Yeah. I've been in this situation before to snap.
It's not screwed down.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think you could just lift it.
Okay.
Here, I'm gonna help you out. Let me.
But the deal was putting a there was supposed to be a 4 put in the car.
Okay.
So this one already got a 454.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, so he already wanted a 54.
Yeah, exactly. So,
okay.
Yeah.
And he got a overdrive trans in it. So shit, man.
Yep.
Can't beat that. I'm gonna just clean all that out.
Yep.
Y'all got the cold start on that one.
Yep.
Man, I ain't got time to be building no more cars, man.
Yeah.
I'm still working on this one. It's just, this was a deal, though. I couldn't, pass by.
Yep.
And I just, man, say, oh, well. I just ain't got time because I know I'm going to put another hood on this one.
Yeah.
And, yeah, it ain't really got that much rust on here at all either.
So I gotta be honest with you. Even if I don't get anybody to buy it, I'll keep it in any damn way. So.
Yeah, I got you.
The other guy, he hasn't made any commitment yet. He's just saying, all right, I want.
That's what he want.
Like, yeah.
But you got something for him if he gets serious.
Yep. Because he's not getting my Monte Carlo. We already talked about that.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we're gonna do something this summer, man. It's just too cold right now. I'm just glad I ain't trying to mess my floors up doing no swaps and none of that stuff no more. My wife, she like, nah, leave the floor alone. I'm tearing the floor. The garage's floors is actually clean, so I don't even want to.
Yeah, I hear that.
I don't want to do no more swaps up in this garage.
The whole garage is made for this thing right here.
Yeah. And that LS, man, when you ready for that one, you can come get it.
Yep. I'm taking that and this.
Yeah. I come over on the weekend and, film or whatever. I help you. Because I do wiring. Yeah. I know, I'm a lot better at wiring now because I do it every day.
That's a good
thing. And lumen,
So but, check this. You know I'm going to school, right?
Yeah.
I'm about 10 classes away. I can't afford to take